Are you tired of losing your half-written emails in Gmail? Learn how to find and send any draft in under 30 seconds. First, I'll show you where drafts are hiding. Then, how to open, edit, and send them in just a few clicks. Start by heading over to the Gmail homepage. Then, on the left sidebar, click Drafts. Now, click on the draft email you want to continue editing. Go ahead and make any changes you need to the message. Once ready, click Send. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.